Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Saturday the 8th of November 2025 and we're here in Elgin, heading to Lossiemouth for the Moray Poppy Ride. This is Anne's first sportive. We're doing about 50 miles all in, 1500 feet of climbing, nothing too strenuous, but it's going to be a good day and we're taking you along for the ride.
Front lights on. Right. So, I'll let you go first.
Let me go first.
Yeah.
Okay, first time we're out in Floss.
Okay.
Getting some money for buying a poppy for our bike. More cyclists over there heading towards Lossiemouth. It's only about 4 or 5 miles to the start. Anne just said a swear word. I'll have to bleep that out. What were you saying, Anne? Alright, let's go and register. Long route, we're doing the 50 miler.
Not raffle.
No bother. It's picking up here. If you hadn't guessed, this is the Moray Poppy Ride and it raises money for Poppy Appeal. And this is number 6 year running. It's a really good local sportive. Great community spirit, great reason for coming along, great atmosphere. A little buzz already.
Because you actually in it.
Have a good ride, guys.
You too. So here we are, we're out by Duffus on the back roads towards Forest. Roads are wet, sky's blue and a little bit cloudy, but all in all there's not much wind. Anne and I are doing the shorter route, which is about 50 miles. Bigger route's 85. It's nice to have the option to do a shorter one. It still takes in the Kinloss Army Barracks, the runway, so Anne and I are pretty excited about that. Not very often you get to cycle on an active runway, so it's all good. And we're in a nice group here. We're on hill number 1 of 3, heading up towards Califer Viewpoint. Currently it was just 9% there. Almost at the top of this first climb. Hannah's doing really well. She's almost there. Next stop, Califer Viewpoint.
Oh wow. I wanted something nice and light for the hills.
Well worth it.
Want a picture?
Califer Viewpoint.
I better breathe in.
Look at that, Murray first.
Hiding it. You can't see with your sunglasses. What have you done? She's got a black eye. Oh! You don't see my eye? Woohoo!
The idea of this route is to pass as many war memorials as you can. Here's one in Forest. I said to Anne, I'll let you go first. She decided she was going straight on. On our way to Findhorn, where we'll spin round and we'll make our way on to Kinloss Barracks. Beautiful calm at Findhorn. Hello. Not every day you get to cycle on a active military base and get up close with a Nimrod. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Heading towards the runway. It's pretty exciting. Cycling on an active base. And it's not very often you get the opportunity in civilian life. This is your first time, isn't it?
First time cycling, but I've actually been on this.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, comfy.
Ah. And Dad has a pilot license and landed here in a civilian aircraft. Would you like to do that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty cool. To the right. Thank you. Woohoo! You're on the runway, baby. Yeah! Right arm out, left arm out. How cool is that? Just cycling down the runway. Quite the thing. And loving it. Woohoo! Coffee. There you go. The milk. Oh, spread.
They're cute.
Oh. I know what you mean now. You park head on the straight and then turn left to go side. It's always a nice part of coming in one of these sportives. You get fed well. Did you enjoy that?
I did, it was amazing.
It was good, wasn't it? That's Astra's biscuit. Thank you. Getting the glasses on, getting the tunes on, in the zone. Last 15 miles to Lossie. Another 20 to get home. You've got it. Berghead next. Dropping down into the seaside town of Berghead, or known locally as the Bra. We're going to come back up this road and head towards the College of Rosyth. That's us, we just came through the College of Rosyth. We're heading up over the hill, the last climb of the day, 3 of 3, towards Cummingston. And then we're going to turn right and head east towards Lossie. We're almost there, less than 10 miles to go. Big climbs coming for wee Annie, so she's doing really well. Proud of her. Okay. Let's do this.
Can't be much more ascent after this.
Nah, there's
that's
not.
how 1468. It was 15 something, wasn't it? The total. But then we did do a bit of climbing getting there.
That's us just leaving Holtman. On the last 5.2 miles to the end line, back where we started. Done amazing. Weather's been nice, dry. So the final, I say climb, little rise between Holtman and Lossie to get us back downhill into Lossie. It's going to be awesome. Had a good time? Absolutely. Would you come back and do it again? Absolutely. You would? Yeah. Next year on the runway? And the longer, oh, you heard it here first guys. She says she's coming back for the longer one next year. Almost back at the Dula Moray, almost back where it started. Almost. Whoop whoop! Almost there, baby. Woohoo! Yeah, I'll get full. Well done, boot.
Spare me.
How do you?
I'll have to look at it that way because it's finishing.
Well, that's it, Anne.
Right.
How was that? How was your first sportive?
It was good and I even got a medal.
Want to see?
No.
Let me see your medal. You got a medal? I never got a medal. Where'd you get a medal from?
My husband.
Ah, your first sportive medal. She couldn't do her first sportive and not get a medal, so I bought her a medal. And she's hiding it there. Look, it is there. And the Elves Vanyar Pro Disc bike held up amazingly. Look at it. It's a beauty, isn't it? It's needing a good wash now. I had the new bike, Mervs, but now we've broken that. It's dirty, so that's all good. Highly recommend doing this sportive. It's local to Moray. Starts in Lossiemouth, finishes in Lossiemouth. 50 miles or 85 miles, get it done.